Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing, I think this is my first day or second day. This is my second day of eating veggie or fruits during dinner time. And I think this is called keto diet because my mods, he's my friend. He told me that no rice, no nothing, but I want to start with eating the usual on the morning, in the morning and afternoon, and dinner lang sa ako mag-keto because it's really hard to start just like rapidly. And I want to start like little by little. It's called baby steps. And so I'm going to start with this keto diet. Dinner time. So what do you say, Cara?
Woman.
Women! Oh yeah, so this is
Made that.
this is made by my husband. He really support me, so I'm gonna be eating it. So let's go eat it. Moment of truth. Mango first. No. Okay, cucumber first.
Cucumber is more healthier than mangoes.
Yeah? You wanna come? Okay, but I need water, I guess. I don't know. Wala dyan ko kabalong sa keto diet. But I'm gonna try.
Hello.
I got banana.
And I got pancit cattle.
And banana.
And also banana.
Lamig na banana.
And banana.
Cara specifically asked for the pancit canton, although we don't allow her to eat canton noodles every
Isang
time.
delight eh.
But
I didn't ask. I said I can eat anything.
Delight niya, palitan ko goan. Gatorade.
so banana now. And then
Banana.
we're gonna buy drinks.
Huh? It's unhealthy.
Prebiotic
No,
drink.
no.
How about Gatorade for Kuya? He needs to be like hydrated, you know? And so I got banana. Which one first? I don't know, guys. Can you comment down below? There's like I need to study about this. Like cucumber.
Ate,
Hindi na lang magaiguan.
there was a dentist today. I had to go there and then I have to go and do this. Kaning nasa nedal.
What is that?
Kay tanggal. O February 18 daw.
Non-test mo?
Magpa out ko.
Okay.
Ano daw pwede na mag-advise sa parents or guardians.
I agree.
You know sa guardians?
Hmm.
Guardians.
I am your guardian angel.
Mag-eat na ka ro. Mag-sleep mo ba ka to?
Okay, Cara's gonna eat this. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let's go in middle. I tied my hair because I'm pulling my sides recently. I think I'm gonna do a vlog about my skincare.
Umi magdungguan no?
It's like you keep munching but
Kung salad sa kuhan ba?
the vegetables.
Isim ba? Isim ng bola ba?
Yeah.
Gusto yun eh, hindi ko sabot mo no?
Kasi may English man akong YouTube. I'll just put subtitles. So that they can see you.
Kay Cara po ni guys.
Ano to? Plato.
Ilagmang ka, parang flavor ang imo ko ano, pabino.
I eat like a lizard, guys.
What?
Guys, may dalay guys, a good girl. Good girl.
I have to come back. Computer. No, I'm addicted to cool.
Cucumber.
Need ka kasi?
No?
Dili lang, di pa
Is
rin.
salt needed for the egg? Do we really need salt?
Yan na lang eh. Di para pure. Mangga tayo.
I've got mango still. I'm just trying
Para
to
eat
eat
mango.
my bowl first before I add another. Banana. What is that?
Not yours.
I need egg. I like the egg lob.
Kailangan na. Wala lang ibutang eh.
I got another hard boiled egg.
Siguro ba?
Cucumber, apple,
Oh, banana
Mango?
for me.
Gusto mo tumakutsara? Gusto ba?
but that's not usually for dinner. The canton, because it's heavy. That's usually lunch, I guess. Did you just freeze?
What? I should upload that Squid Game. Daddy, do that.
I feel like this bowl was only a half. One handful. Is it a handful? But not two palms together. What's the term?
What flavor is this? Calamansi. Then why is it hot?
Spicy sauce?
Sweet and spicy?
Oh, okay.
Sili maanisik.
Kalisambi.
Got mango. How many minutes? 8 minutes. Okay.
No, it's 7 minutes. She's
Lagay sila
lying.
mamagaon guys.
How many minutes do you usually chew?
Six.
Is there like a
I just ate
fast chewer
Yeah.
or a slow chewer?
And I'm using this, okay? Using
Chewer? I kind of like the egg. Yeah, makes
What
me
is
full.
that? I thought it
I
was
wanted to eat this rice and pencil canton, but when I ate the boiled egg, I cannot have it full. Like I felt full.
Yeah, it's a long story.
About
Tell your
what?
story. Tell your story before. Kid pa ka.
Oh,
Story time!
okay, what about? Okay, you asked me a question, then I'll reply.
I do not know.
No, what happened when you were like that?
What happened when you were like, without you decided, you were like playing in the beach before? like you're a kid.
Was it in the park?
No, beach.
Which beach? This one? No.
Dito ba? Dito. Tell me the story.
The story is this house right now used to be an empty lot. Okay? Like with all the rubbish. And it's really not this like flat land that you would really want to buy, and it's clean land. This land is like a dumpster. And this is a rocky piece of land. So it's like 50 square meter.
That's why I see.
150. And then
That,
the land.
that's why I see trash over there.
Yeah. Wait, what? So that's the wall, right? That's like the end of the land. And so it's typically the entire land. We built, mom built the house like on each corner, it's like 0, 0. There's no space outside of this room. This is, I mean the house. This just does it. Piece of land.
I'm not
entire
talking.
house.
I didn't tell you.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna go to the back. And then the piece of land on my back, there used to be a small cottage made of bamboo and wood, and we rented there. Okay, so it's like land to land. It's kind of like this, no space. And then we rented on that house. And then there's a beach when you go over there, like walk. This is beach side. And this is the mountain side over there when I face here. Wait, so this is east. That's where the sun rises. That's east over there.
Mom.
And so, wait, did our lights just give up on us? And so we go to the beach every
summer.
like every week.
Every summer,
Typically every week.
every weekend.
And then it used to be a really nice spot for swimming until it got rocky. I don't know why. It was sandy before. I think the people get sand from there, and that's why today it's illegal. So Ate Lisa and me played on that beach when we were her age, like maybe like before, like yeah, like 6, 7 or something. And then we rented in that house for years. And mom bought this land, built a house, and then that house on the back, it's like with all the woods and all the stuff. It got turned, damaged, and then so nothing now. And then mom and dad bought that land. So thank God, this house and that piece of land over there.
I have a question. Is wood more stronger than cement?
No. Because typically, even if you do take care of the wood, it would cost a lot. But cement lasts longer than wood, although it costs a lot too. So yeah, that was the story. Also, our light low bottom. Our clip light a little bit, but I'm almost done. Yeah, that was good. But I think I'm craving for some
More?
milk. Is milk okay for the diet?
Milk is from a cow. Cow is healthy. And then if the cow is healthy, then the milk is healthy. But if it's fresh, if it's
Wait, what?
if it's from the boat, we don't know if it's healthy or not.
Guys, we don't know. Okay, so we need to study more.
That's why she's supposed to know everything. Since she's grown up, you should go to kinder.
What do you think, guys?
She doesn't even know how to count. When I say that to count up to 10, she's just like this. 1, 10.
We're just kidding.
If you count properly well, I'm gonna send you to daycare.
Okay, Smarty Pants. Cucumber. Apple.
Ah! Why did you order the mango?
No, mango last. I tried to not focus on like finish the mango first, finish all the cucumber. I was like turning around. Cucumber, apple, mango, egg, banana, then turn around again. Like, you know, to have that filling because they're actually blunt. But if you're really used to eating spices, like spicy food and foods with flavor, like artificial flavor, and then you go to fruits and veggies, you would say it's boring because you got used to the exciting fake flavors, So yeah, yo. What do you think?
Foot. I think about a foot.
Did I do good?
What?
It's kind of like tiring when you eat and then speak.
It's time also to listen to your boring voice.
Wait, what just happened? Did you just say I have a boring voice?
Comment down below if she has a boring voice.
I just can't believe you did that. And you actually asked them to comment down below. Okay, this one's low, but this is supposed to be our light. Yeah, it's not working anymore. And I think that's it for today. Maybe let me just try.